What's up? It's me, John, and I'm not going to bore you with a long intro. I am waiting for my batteries to charge on my brand new DJI FPV drone, and I got the whole combo thing, the goggles, the drone, controller, bunch of extra batteries, etc., all the stuff, the whole Fly More kit. And while I was waiting for these batteries to charge, because that's the first thing you have to do, I started thinking, man, I'm gonna find a good case. And so I looked up cases for the drone, and they're like $200 a piece. The cheaper ones are like 150, 120 bucks. 100 bucks is still kind of, holy crap, cases are expensive. Well, we all know this. So I went over and I went to the back, grabbed one of my other cases, one that I haven't used yet, from Harbor Freight. But you can find them on Amazon for like 50, 60 bucks. This Apache 3800. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. It's an affiliate link. Screw it. And it's a good sized case. I dig it. It's not too big to be obnoxious. It's not too small. I can fit the drone in here with the propellers, and I'll go ahead and show you. It's just easy. So I have the whole thing here. I have the drone, 2 slots for batteries. So the drone will fit just like this with 2 batteries, and the propellers on. You know, the goggles are right here. I don't have to take off the nubs, controller, 2 batteries. And so originally I was going to take this and try to use the insert that came with the DJI package, but that just didn't fit right. So instead I used the pluck and pull that comes with the case, and it has this foam that goes on the top, but the problem with that is that I still had little parts that I wanted to keep. And I mean, and this stuff is pretty secure, so I mean, it's not going anywhere. The case is going to do its job. So I got one of these bags, and I actually haven't done this yet. I was going to get some, I'm going to get some double-sided Velcro to put on the top here, but right now I'm going to take the double-sided Gorilla Tape that I have right now, pop it onto the bag of this, or to the back of this little bag that I got on Amazon. I get these in big packs. So get these big packs. I'll put the link to these. These are awesome for all kinds of stuff. So I got this little bag and the zipper bag. My fat fingers. Anyway, I'm gonna put that right there. And like I said, I'm gonna get some double-sided, I'm gonna get some Velcro, put one end on so I can take the bag off and on. But for now, small parts, extra propellers, anything like that will go in there, and really just kind of let it stick there, and boom, got a waterproof case that'll do a good job, hold the drone, keep everything safe. It's not huge, it's not tiny. I don't have to tear the drone apart every single time I go. Grand total is 60 bucks. Can't argue with that. $60. Anyway, check out the links in the description. This Apache 3800 right here will fit a bunch of stuff, but it'll fit your drone, your controller, the headset, 3 batteries. There looks, I mean, it looks like there's room if you cut it out differently on the bottom. It looks like there's room for, you know, more than 3 batteries. So I know a lot of us are going to be buying a lot more batteries. Has room for a small parts bag to put your wires and everything right in the lid. And, you know, I'll come up with a way to mount that bag up there. I know they also sell separate attachments for stuff like this, but I'm trying to keep it cheap. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later.